What's up, everybody? Pedro here. I got another simple recipe for you. This one is a really simple appetizer that my brother-in-law has been making almost every time we go to his house. Everybody loves it. There's only 3 ingredients. You have Kaneka sausage, which I'm told you need to use this type of sausage. I don't know, maybe you can use something else, but I'm told this is what you need to use. Also, I'm told that you need to grill it. This is it. It's the original. They also have spicy, hot and spicy, which, you know, I like hot and spicy. But then you have cheddar cheese. Extra sharp, mild, whatever you want to use. I got mild for this one. Wickle Pickles. I don't know if any of you have tried them before. They're really good if you like sweet pickles. They're sweet pickles. This is the original one. They're sweet pickles, and they have chili peppers in them. So they're spicy, so they got a kick to them. These are really good by themselves, but wait till you try them with the cheese and the sausage. I've already got the grill fired up, so let's get started. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I almost forgot. You can't get started without one of these. Now that's more like it. Okay. Throw the sausage on the grill. God, it smells good. I just cut it open, it smells good. Heck yeah, man. Okay, so we got our Kaneka sausage on the grill. When it's done, we're going to slice it up. We're going to take that cheddar cheese and we're going to cut it into squares. Thin slices, squares, about the same size as sausage. I'll show you in a little bit. Okay, then you'll sandwich the Wickle Pickle in between the sausage and a slice of cheese. And put that on a toothpick, and that's your appetizer. I'll show you in a minute. Oh yeah, baby. Okay, so this is what it should look like. You don't want to cut your cheese too big. You want about a 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch square of cheese, maybe a little bit bigger, but don't cut it too big because the cheese will overpower the rest of it. So you put your sausage on top, pickle in the middle, and cheese on bottom. Man, these things are awesome. Okay, so if you like this video, please hit the like and share button. And consider subscribing to the channel, as we're going to have a lot more recipes from friends and family. If you have a recipe that you want us to try, please feel free to send it in. Tomorrow we're going to be making a trip to the brew store. We're going to be brewing some beer. It's the first time I've done that in a while, so that ought to be fun. Going to have to clean up all the equipment and everything. We'll start the brewing process tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care, be safe, and we'll see you next time.